Welcome to a do-it-yourself battery replacement. First, park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine. Remove your keys and avoid touching metal with tools to prevent sparks. Batteries contain corrosive acid and can emit flammable gases. Always wear gloves and safety glasses to protect your hands and eyes. Disconnect the old battery and start with the negative terminal first, then the positive plus. This minimizes the risk of short circuits. Keep wires clear of the battery as you remove it. Carefully lift out the old battery, they're heavy. Check the tray and cable connectors for corrosion. Clean with a wire brush if needed. Install the new battery in the tray securely and fasten it. Connect the positive plus terminal first, then the negative terminal. Ensure connections are tight but avoid over-tightening. Start your car to make sure everything works properly. Apply a battery terminal protector spray to reduce corrosion and extend battery life. Thanks for watching.